Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how warm and cool primary colors behave together and also how a split primary can be created out of that. Now we are going to see how warm primaries and cool primaries behave separately, but we can make a color wheel out of these colors and create a split primary of warm and cool versions of every color. Now if you think cool yellow is closer to a blue because it's a greenish yellow, then a warmer yellow is closer to a warm red, and also a cool red is also closer to a blue. And this is how we can use this palette. Now the colors that we are using for this exercise are Cadmium Lemon, Chrome Yellow Deep, Vermilion, Alizarin Crimson, Cobalt Blue and Phthalo Blue. Now we have started mixing the warm colors first, and I should have made an orange, but we are starting off with green, so we are making warm green, and that is like somewhat olivey in nature, but it's a very natural kind of a green, but warm. And similarly we are going to make an orange, and this is going to be the brightest orange that can be made because these two colors are very close. This is a warm yellow and warm red, and the orange is going to be very warm and very powerful. Now we are trying to make a violet out of this red and blue, but being warm colors, this is going to create a warm kind of a violet, and violet and purple both are actually cool colors, so this is not going to create the best results. This is creating some sort of a gray color that we can see, sort of a very dull violet. Now I'm going to mix the cool colors. Initially I'll be making an orange, but since it's a cool yellow and cool red, it's going to create a cooler orange, and it won't be as hot and powerful as the orange above. Now we are trying to make an orange very bright and powerful, but this is sort of the limit. You can compare the results with the above mixes. It's still a good orange, but it's not that kind. But we can use this as well. Now we are going to mix a green, and this is going to create the brightest green because it's a cool yellow and cool blue, and the mixes will be quite striking. Now you can compare the results above that are quite warm, and the ones that are below are quite cool. Now I'm trying to make a purple and a violet with one cool red and one cool blue, and since both the colors are cooler, they are going to create a very good quality violet. Now the results are obvious that these are violet colors, not like a gray or anything, because these two colors are cool and working. Now I'm stretching the split primary a little, now using a cool yellow with a warm red and checking what sort of orange it would make. And it seems it's a very good orange, brighter than the Alizarin Crimson and a cool yellow, but it's still not as bright as a warm red and yellow mix. But this is certainly a good one because the warmth of the red is working. Now I'm using a warm yellow with a cool red, and still there is some deficiency compared to a mix of warm yellow as well as a warm red. I'm doing the same with the green, a cool yellow with a warm blue. The mixes are great, these are greens, but there are different qualities to them, and it's not about gaining the bright colors always, but these are definitely very good ones. Now here is an interesting result. I'm using a warm red with a cool blue, and it directly neutralizes everything and turns it into a black color. And you can turn it into a warm black or a cool black. It's definitely a blackish color. It's not like a gray or a violet or anything. I'm using a cooler red with a warm blue, and it creates a very powerful violet because these two are very close to each other in a wheel. And warm blue has some red in it or a slightly violety in tone, so they are definitely closer and creates a very powerful violet. I am also trying to make a mix of Phthalo Blue and Alizarin violet, but it's still not there. I mean, it's not as vibrant as Alizarin and Cobalt Blue violet. Now you can see in this photograph that the benefit of having a split primary palette, and the mixes are quite vibrant and powerful, and almost any combinations are possible. With the addition of 1 or 2 colors, it is going to be complete. So if you like this video, then please click the like button and also subscribe for future videos. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified when a new video has been uploaded. Also check out my website www.kaustavandfineart.com for more paintings, and take care.